Now, next topic in permutation combinations, permutations under certain conditions, and also circular permutations. One example I want to take here. Ankur invites his 12 friends on his birthday party. He can accommodate 7 on one round table and 5 on other round table. Can you guess number of arrangement? How many beds or how many seating arrangement are there for his 12 friends on these two round tables? At the end of video, you are able to solve. You can find the answer of this question. Now, main topic, permutations of repeated objects. Number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time when each object may occur any number of times is n power r. That is, total number of permutations equal to n power r. Now, explanation. Just one example by which you can understand the meaning. How many numbers of 4 digits can be formed with the help of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 when each digit can be repeated any number of times? So here easily you can observe, you have to form a 4-digit number. 4-digit number means there are 4 places. First place, second place, third place, and fourth place. Just think, in first place there are how many options by which you can fill it. Since you have to form 4-digit number, repetition is allowed. It implies first place you have 7 options. Any one of these 7 numbers you can put here. Now second place. If repetition not allowed, then second place only 6 options. But repetition allowed means we can repeat any digit. For example, you can write 2222 or 2234. Any digit can be repeated any number of times. Second place, again you have 7 options. Any one of these 7 numbers you can put here. Similarly, third place, again you have 7 options, means any one of these 7 numbers you can put. And fourth place, again you have 7 options. Any one of these 7 numbers you can put. Using fundamental principle of counting, easily you can calculate total number of 4-digit numbers equal to 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 7 power 4. Same pattern here, you can apply formula. The total number of 4-digit numbers equal to 7 power 4. Now again on definition, n different objects, here 7 different digits taken r at a time, taken 4 at a time means 4-digit number. Then number of permutations or number of 4-digit numbers equal to 7 power 4 equal to 2401. Or here also if you multiply you will get 240 and 1. In this pattern you can solve this question. Just can you tell me the answer if how many numbers are possible using all the digits at a time? You are not going to form 4-digit numbers. You are going to use 7-digit number, means using all the digits at a time. Easily you can write then it is equal to 7 power 7 because there are 7 places. Same pattern in formula. Taken all at a time. Number of permutations of n different objects taken in place of r. If you write all at a time, then number of permutations will be n power n. This second result also to remember it. Now next, permutations when some are not distinct, means some are same, are repeated. The number of permutations of n objects taken are at a time. Number of permutations of n objects taken are at a time. The simple formula all of you know, NPR, or factorial n upon factorial n minus r. But here some elements are repeated, some objects are repeated when p of them are exactly same kind. For example, there are 7 same kind, 9 another kind, 5 third kind, and remaining are different. Same pattern written here. P of them are alike, one kind, Q another kind, and S of them are third kind, and rest are different. Then if total number of objects n are at a time, number of permutations np are. Whatever repetition is there, divide by their factorials. You will get required number of permutations. For example, find the number of 5 letters word formed by the letters of the word independence. 5 letters word, there are independence. In the independence, how many letters are there? First you count. The total number of letters in this word is 12. If all letters are different, then directly result you can write 12C5. But if repetition is there, then you have to divide the factorial of repetition of letters. There are 12 letters, number of permutations 12C5. Now whatever repetition, n repeated 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Repetition of D 2 times, one here and second is here. Now repetition of E 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, the remaining are different. Therefore, number of permutations, or you can say total number of 5 letters word equal to 12p5. Same formula, NPR upon repetition, whatever letters repeated. Since n repeated 3 times, divided by factorial 3. D repeated 2 times, divided by factorial 2. E repeated 4 times, divided by factorial 2. 12p5 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 4. Numerator, just simplify it. Factorial 12 upon factorial 12 minus 5 upon value of factorial 3 is 2. Oh, sorry, 6. Because value of factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, 6. Value of factorial 2, 2 into 1 is 2. And value of factorial 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Factorial 12 we can write as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into factorial 7 upon factorial 7. Here factorial 7 cancel out. Then remaining part is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 upon 6 2 is 12 into 24. 12 cancel out. 8 3 is 24, 3 3 is 9. The remaining part is 11 into 10 into 3 equal to 330. In this pattern you can solve. Now one more condition you think. I have written taken all at a time. If you are taking all at a time in the same question, taking all the letters at a time, then what will be the answer? Easily you can observe here, that is NPN, and value of NPN is factorial n. The next case we are going to take that. Number of permutations of n objects taken all at a time when p of them are one kind, q another kind, and s third kind. Remaining are different. Taken r at a time, np are here. All letters you are going to take at a time. Therefore, npn upon factorial p into factorial q into factorial s, and value of npn is factorial n. So therefore, result is factorial n upon factorial p into factorial q into factorial s. Same example again, but I want to take for explanation. You have to find number of permutations or number of words formed by taking all the letters of the word independence. Already in previous example you have done, there are 12 letters. For repetition, N repeated 3 times, D repeated 2 times and E repeated 4 times. Now here number of permutations or number of word using all the letters. I hope all of you can solve. That is 12p12 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 4. And in place of 12p12 you can write factorial n means factorial 12. Simplify, you are getting result. I hope this topic is clear. If some letters are repeated, then the method by which you can solve. If all are different, then already in previous video I have covered, that is 12p 5 or 12p 12. Now next part, restricted permutations. Some conditions are applied here. Some restrictions are there. Here, number of permutations of n distinct objects taken are at a time when a particular object is always to be included in each arrangement is r into n minus 1 p r minus 1. Because n distinct objects, one object is already included in every arrangement. The number of objects remains n minus 1. And from n minus 1 you have to select r minus 1 at a time. Because one object is already included. Therefore, number of permutations n minus 1 p r minus 1. For example, how many words can be made from the letters of the word daughter so that the word starts with R? It implies first position is fixed here. First place is confirmed. Now, remaining places you have to fill. Number of letters here 8. Second step to count repetition. There is no repetition of any letter. First place is fixed here. Therefore, for remaining places 7p 7. In the same place, if ask here value of r is 8, you are going to all letters. Therefore, 1 less, n minus 1 p n minus 1 same. In place of 7, if asked to form a 4-letter word, always are included, then it will be changed. Now next, number of permutations of n distinct objects taken are at a time when a particular object is not to be included in any arrangement. There are n minus 1 p r. If one object is not included, you have to remove that object. After that, you have to find number of sitting arrangement or number of arrangement. How many 3 letters word can be made from the letters of the word daughter without using the letter T? It implies T is not there. And if T is not there, then number of remaining letters 8 minus 1 7. And out of 7 you have to arrange 3 letters. That you can apply formula here. N minus 1 PR means 7p 3. And you will get result. Or also, second option you have, you can apply fundamental principle of counting also. Method, there was 8 letters total. T is excluded here. Therefore, process is 3 places are there. First place, second place and third place. You have 7 letters, remaining 7 letters. First place, any one of 7 letters you can write. Now, number of letters remaining 6. Second place, any one of 6 letters. And third place, remaining 5 letters. Multiply you will get result using fundamental principle of counting. In this pattern also you can solve these questions. Then next, 7 into 6 into 5 equal to 210. This topic is very important, that is circular permutation. For competition purpose, it is an important topic. Before starting the formula, just concentrate here. There are 4 students, A, B, C and D. Then number of arrangement, how many ways you can arrange these 4 students in a row. Remember, word is used in row. Then simply you can apply formula 4p4 equal to factorial 4 equal to 24 ways. Just 4 arrangement I want to write out of 24. But before that, if these 4 students are seated around a circular table, then what are the total number of arrangement? Then ABCD, BCDA, CDAB and DACD are same in circular arrangement. Agar these 4 students going to sit around a table, then these 4 which are different in row arrangement are same in case of circular arrangement. Reason, each student has the same partner to the right as well as left in case of circular arrangement, which are different in row arrangement. For example, here B. B is between A and C, but in second case, B is on a corner. B is not between 2 students. Here again B is in other corner. Again B is not between 2 students. And here in fourth case again B is between A and C. But in case of circular arrangement, B is between A and C in first arrangement. It is ABCD. If A start from here, ABCD, again B is between A and C. Third case, if we start from here, ABCD, again B is between A and C. Fourth case, you start from here, ABCD, again B is between A and C. In case of circular arrangement, these 4 consider as 1. In this pattern, you can differentiate between row arrangement and circular arrangement. Now, the number of circular permutations in which clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement give 2 different permutations. Now, circular permutations have to divide in 2 groups. One part, one circular permutation when clockwise and anti-clockwise 2 different forms are there. In this case, number of permutations equal to NPR upon R equal to 1 upon R into factorial n upon factorial n minus R. For example, seating arrangement of 4 students out of 6. There are 6 students. We have to find seating arrangement of 4 students around a table. Then number of permutations using formula you can write. Total number of students 6. So 6p4 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 4 equal to factorial 6 upon factorial 6 minus 4. And after solving, you are getting 90. It is circular permutation. In case of row-wise arrangement, if these 4 students have to arrange row-wise, then what happens? Row-wise means there are 4 places. First place, second place, third place, and fourth place. Now, in row-wise arrangement, directly you can apply formula 6p4 or also You can write first place, how many options you have? 6 options. Second place, 5 options, because in case of students repetition, not possible. Third place, 4 options, and fourth place, 3 options. Multiply by fundamental principle of counting and you will get result equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 equal to 360. In this pattern you can find number of permutation in row wise, but here in case of circular we have to arrange in circle, and circle 4 students are going to arrange. Then number of permutations equal to 6p4 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 4, and after solving you will have 90. Now next case, if value of r equal to n means taken all the objects at a time, then number of permutations we have to find. If all the objects are taken at a time, then number of permutations we can find using formula. And again you can observe in this case, clockwise and anti-clockwise both arrangement are two different permutations. Then formula is npn in place of r equal to n. Formula is npn upon n equal to factorial n upon n equal to factorial n minus 1. For example, same example, seating arrangement of 4 students taken all at a time around a table equal to, directly you can apply formula factorial n minus 1 equal to 6. For example, here there are 4 students, Ankur, Tejas, Bans and Subhankar, and here again 4 students, but difference in both you can observe here. It is anti-clockwise sitting arrangement means after Ankur, Tejas, Bans and Subhankar, and here it is clockwise arrangement after Ankur, Tejas in right side, Bans and Subhankar. So clockwise and anti-clockwise there are two different arrangements, and in this case you can apply formula number of circular permutation equal to npn upon n, which is equal to factorial n upon n or factorial n minus 1. Now next case, in this case if number of circular permutations in which no difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement. If there is no difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement, then number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time is npr upon r divided by 2. It implies 1 upon 2r into factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Means, example, the arrangement of beads in necklace or arrangement of flowers in garlands. In these cases, clockwise or anti-clockwise both arrangement are same. You can observe here in figure. If these 4 bits have to arrange, it is in clockwise or anti-clockwise both are same. And in this case formula is npr upon r divided by 2, because these two you can consider as 1. Now if r equal to n means taken all the objects at a time, then number of circular permutations of n different objects is npn upon n divided by 2 or 1 upon 2 factorial n upon n equal to 2. For example, same the arrangement of beads in necklace, arrangement of flowers in garland, but in these cases you are going to take all the beads or all the flower at a time. And again you can observe here the clockwise and anti-clockwise both arrangements are same. For example, in how many ways can a necklace be prepared using 8 beads? Here, total number of beads 8, and you are going to use all beads at a time. And second, you can observe here there is no difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise, both is same. Therefore, formula 1 upon 2 factorial 8 minus 1. And after solving 1 upon 2 into factorial 7, divide the factorial 7 by 2, and we will get answer 2520. Now the main question which was given in first slide about the student Ankur. Ankur invites his 12 friends on his birthday party. He has 2 round table. On one round table there are 7 chairs, and second round table 5 chairs. Number of arrangement, by how many ways he can arrange all the friends on these 2 round tables. Now I hope you can solve it. Total number of friends 12. On first table there are 7 chairs, means he arranged 7 students. Therefore, directly you can apply formula. Number of arrangement of 7 friends on first table equal to 12p7 upon 7. Value of 12p7 means 1 upon 7 into factorial 12 upon factorial 12 minus 7 equal to 1 upon 7 into factorial 12 upon factorial 5. Second, now the remaining students 5 friends remains and 5 seats on second table. Therefore, on second table arrangement 5p5 upon 5 equal to factorial 5 upon 5 equal to factorial 4. Therefore, total number of arrangement by using fundamental principle of counting, on first table number of arrangement was 1 upon 7 into factorial 12 upon factorial 5. On second table factorial 4, multiply these two using fundamental principle of counting and then solve it. After solving, you are getting the answer now, and you can observe how many arrangements are possible or number of permutations. Now some questions for practice. In question number 1, in how many ways 5 persons can be seated around the table? Easily you can solve. In this case, which formula will apply? There is difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, formula will be factorial n minus 1. Now in question number 2, in how many ways can a garland be prepared with 7 flowers? Now here, clockwise and anti-clockwise both is same. Therefore, you can solve using formula. And third question, how many arrangement can be made with the letters of the word Allahabad? With condition, all arrangements start with letter A. It implies it is a conditional permutation. Conditional permutation means first page is fixed. First place A given. After that, from remaining letters you have to find total number of arrangements. Which formula we will apply here? N minus 1p or minus 1. You have to complete and give the answer.